with soapy dooby kids. A is for airplane, the first letter of the alphabet. The airplane flies high in the sky. B is for butterfly, the second letter of the alphabet. The butterfly has colorful wings. C is for car, the third letter of the alphabet. The car drives fast on the road. D is for dinosaur, the fourth letter of the alphabet. Dinosaurs lived a long time ago. E is for egg, the fifth letter of the alphabet. The egg hatches into a chick. F is for frog, the sixth letter of the alphabet. The frog jumps and says ribbit. G is for guitar, the seventh letter of the alphabet. The guitar makes music when you strum it. H is for horse, the eighth letter of the alphabet. The horse gallops across the field. I is for igloo, the ninth letter of the alphabet. An igloo is a house made of ice. J is for jellyfish, the 10th letter of the alphabet. The jellyfish floats in the ocean. K is for kangaroo, the 11th letter of the alphabet. The kangaroo hops with its strong legs. L is for lamp, the 12th letter of the alphabet. The lamp lights up the room. M is for mountain, the 13th letter of the alphabet. The mountain is tall and majestic. N is for nut, the 14th letter of the alphabet. Squirrels love to eat nuts. O is for owl, the 15th letter of the alphabet. The owl hoots at night. P is for panda, the 16th letter of the alphabet. The panda eats bamboo. Q is for quail, the 17th letter of the alphabet. The quail is a small plump bird. R is for rocket, the 18th letter of the alphabet. The rocket blasts off into space. S is for star, the 19th letter of the alphabet. The star shines brightly in the night sky. T is for train, the 20th letter of the alphabet. The train travels